Good afternoon, everyone. No? So, I know that some of you kay hinay gyud ang internet connection and I think dako siya impact labi na pag mag-online class. So, I've decided to send na lang video sa inyohang GC and of course, I'm expecting nga inyo pong tanawon. No? So, this will be our last topic under General Math. Now, after this, kay exam naman Thursday, so ang akong exam lang sa inyo ha is through Google Form. We'll have a discussion about that tomorrow unsa ang mahitabo sa Google Form na to. Okay? Sige. So, I hope that you're doing okay there and you're well. Sige, let's start our discussion. This is all about compound interest. So, in the compound interest, no, so actually, dalawang interest. We have simple interest and compound interest. But in the simple interest, fixed gid ang imuhang interest nga tubo. Interest nga tubo. Fixed gid ang interest nga imuhang ma-earn. No? So, for example, kung naa kay gi-invest nga 10,000, no? So, for example, naa tay gi-invest diri nga 10,000, o ang iyang rate is 0.02 for 1 year, therefore, ang tubo sa imong 10,000, 200. Kay simple interest man siya, so next na pod na year, another 200, which is result to 400, hantod up to 5 years. In other words, fixed matag year ang tubo sa atong kwarta. But in the compound interest, no? In the compound interest, ang atong interest mag-interest of course, no? So, gikan sa 10,000, ang atong principal diri i-plus tong interest nga iyang na-earn. So, butang sa first year, butang na 2025, nagbutang kag 10,000. So, ang tubo na 200. Pagka next year, ang imong 10,000 og 200 nga tubo, mahimong principal. So, na kay 10,200, i-times na pud sa rate times the time. So, pagka next na pod, ang imong 200 og ang tubo sa second year nga 204, muna pod na ang imong mahimong principal. In other words, ang imong interest, mag-interest of course. No? And that is the compound interest. Unlike sa simple interest, that the interest earned is fixed, no? No matter pila na ka years, ang imong interest fixed ra gyud na. Kung 200 per year, 200 ra gyud na all throughout, no? So 200, so pagka next year another 200. But in this compound interest, ang imong interest mo depende sa interest pud niya nga na-earn sa preceding year. Okay? So, how are we going to solve for the maturity value or the future value of our compound interest? So, kung ang atong simple interest, di ba? In our simple interest, the future value is equal to the principal times 1 plus RT, no? But in our compound interest, ang atong t, ma-exponent na siya sa 1 plus r, where our p is the principal amount or the money nga imong gibutang or giborrow. Ang atong rate is the interest, pila ang percentage sa tubo, and it should be converted into decimal points. And our time is pila ka years ang tagal sa imong kwarta, or kung giborrow ba nimo pila ka years mabalik, or kung gi-invest nimo ni pila ka years taman lang ang imuhang savings, no? So from that one, we have the compound interest. How are we going to solve for the interest itself? So we're just going to subtract the future value of the money minus the principal ang mabilin ana katong interest gyud nga na-earn sa imong kwarta. Okay? Let's have an example. So for example, find the maturity value and compound interest if 10,000 is compounded annually at an interest rate of 2% in 5 years. No? So, separate discussion will be given sa about compounded kung dili na siya annually. Sige, so, pila kaya? Mas nice to no o kanang koan? Sige, so therefore, so naa na to solve for that one, we can make use of the f equals p times 1 plus the rate raised to the time, no? Kamo na lay sulat og unsa ang iyang given information kawa na tay what do you call this? Wala na tay space for that, no? So sige. So again, this is the formula to get the maturity value or future value. Mo na sila ha. Pag mayong maturity or future value, isa na sila. So, pila kaya ang future value sa atong kwarta? So from that one, we're going to make use of the formula P times 1 plus R to the power of T. Pila ang P? Pila ang principal amount? The principal amount is the, yes, the 10,000. So you just pull the 10K sa P times 1 plus, pila tong rate? Ang rate is 2%. Ug i-convert na to ni sa decimal point, that is 0.02. So we have 0.02 to the power of, pila ang T na to? Pila ang time? Na-time nga 5 years. So kung i-compute na nato, pila man siya?